Since the refs seem to be okay, I think it's all right to start in 3, 2, 1. We begin with 11-170, lowering themselves down alongside their alliance partner 3965, who, with a little bit of resistance from the lander's hook, managed to get themselves down and clear their sample field.
And 6712 has also gotten down, and after, likewise, just a little bit of resistance from their robot, they have moved. 3965 has sampled properly, and they seem to have dropped their beacon. But unfortunately, it looks like 11-170 is not quite there.
Driver, pick up your controllers.
11-170 might have knocked
3,
that silver mineral
2,
out.
1.
It looks like we're back to the real game. 14-5-2-7 pushes very, very quickly 2 of the silver minerals from their sample field over into the red depot.
Meanwhile,
6712 and 3965 seem to be in a little bit of a confrontation over near the red crater. 3965 choosing to be the bigger robot and walking away.
Meanwhile, Team 11-170 moves to put their first element in the lander.
11-170 a little low, but they still manage to get that silver element in where they need it to be.
Meanwhile, 6712 is trying to get 2 so they can go for put. But as they're doing that, Team 11-170 has beat them to getting 2 elements in the lander.
14-5-2-7 has unfortunately gotten itself stuck in the middle again. Maybe some help from their alliance partner could save them.
And 3965 is playing kickball with elements, trying to get them into the depot.
6712 aiming to try and pick up parts, but it looks like they might be having a mechanical dysfunction. Could stop them from getting more minerals that they need.
But Team 11-170 places yet another mineral in the lander, and it's trying to go for one that has fallen beneath the lander, but is having some trouble.
14527 still trapped on that blue crater. Will anyone come to save?
But it looks like their alliance partners having a bit of trouble as we enter the end game.
11-170 aims to try and hang. They're a little bit too high on the hook, but let's see if they can line it up. 3965 doing the same. 6712 making quite a thunk as their lift mechanism smacks into the crater.
But their lift mechanism holds as they also go in for the hang.
11-170 tries to hang off the top.
And with just 5 seconds left, will they make it?
It doesn't look like it. And the scores are in for qualification match number 24, giving blue the win with 129 points.